How to fix error code 57 in Valorant. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the error code 57 in Valorant. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is simply head over to your search bar and type in CMD, that is the command prompt, and then you're going to type in two commands. First one is sc delete VGC, just run it. And after that, the second command is sc delete VGK and run it. Once you have run these commands, you can simply restart your computer and see if the error is resolved. However, if the error is still there, you gotta head over to your local disk C drive and go to your program files and simply search for Riot Vanguard. So once you find that, you gotta simply delete that folder. And after that, if you're not able to delete that, you can simply head over to Task Manager and simply search for that task and click on that particular task and then click on End Task. Once you do so, you can simply head over, open your Valorant application, run it as administrator, restart your computer or reboot your computer, and you're good to go. Your error would be resolved. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.